Alright. Let's get it done. Yeah, boy. We're gonna do this. Alright. Let's record some audio. Alright, cool. Alright, welcome everybody. Welcome. Today we have a very special thingy-doodle we're gonna do. I got a grand total of dose packages right there. And one of them came early. This guy was supposed to come tomorrow. This guy was supposed to come today. I am going to do an unboxing, one release today, one release tomorrow. This is the OneBlade. Now I have a Philips Norelco OneBlade that is not what this is, that is different. I'll probably do a review on that someday or something. This is a straight razor, or a safety razor I mean. It's a well-engineered modern safety razor. So that's kind of exciting. I am going to shave off all my body hair. So it regrows, cleans it up. It's also better for photos apparently. I'm in a men's group, they're helping me with my Tinder photos and my body goals, and one of the things they said was, shave off your hair. I'm like, okay, if everybody suggests it, I'm gonna do it because I love my body hair. I think it's cool as shit. But if everybody in the group says that it's important, I'm gonna do it. Turns out everyone said it's important, so I'm gonna listen to them. That's text. This is something called Face Reality Skincare. It is a clay mask. I have a friend who is an aspiring esthetician, and she gave me a sample of this. You probably noticed that at some point my acne went away in the past few weeks, and it's slowly starting to come back, but just 15 minutes and poof, where the hell did my acne go? Hint, it went away because of this stuff. So today I'm going to unbox the OneBlade, and I'm going to show you a little bit of shaving with it when I come back from the gym. This is extremely sharp. You want to be careful with this. I don't know if you see this. Maybe if you can focus on my hand, focus on my finger. Come on, focus. You see that right there? That is because I cut myself with this. I was trimming something towards my hand. Actually, I was trimming this. This was a boot mold. I was doing something like, I think I was like going like that. I was trimming like the edge, and it slipped and it lodged into my finger right there and split it open. I was really quick. I actually didn't even spill a drop of blood, but it was a pretty deep cut. But I was super quick in putting pressure on it. This is very sharp. I mean, it's an X-Acto blade, X-Acto brand too. So I gotta be very careful with it. Ooh, look at that. Fancy. Get a good photo of that. It's kind of nice. This is the core version. There's 3 versions, I think. I might be counting that wrong. Looks kind of sexy. Check that out. Put that aside here. And then these are the blades. I don't know if it's compatible. Come on, focus. If I go very close, maybe it'll focus. Maybe I just have to go like that. Come on, bro. Come on, focus. Maybe if I touch the screen. Alright, well that makes it easy. You gotta touch the screen. That's unfortunate, but... So yeah, I think there's 30 in here. Maybe more, maybe less. It's kind of clean. It's kind of nice. Ooh. This is the... Maybe they're in here? This is just a metal thing. It's an empty metal thing. Maybe I put the old ones in there? That's kind of cool. A little disposable thing, I guess. Alright. Get your best shave every time you shave. That's cool. Welcome to single edge shaving. Come on, focus, focus, focus. I'm sorry about the lack of focus my camera has here. Welcome to single edge shaving. Load your blade with an audible click. Warning. It's not the same as regular shaving. There's a how-to. They gave me like a how-to video, which is very kind of them. I watched it. Ooh, that is sexy. That was very sexy. Very sexy. It's got like a stand and everything. Ooh, here are the blades. 10 of them. It's not too many. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. There we go. Alright, so there's like a... This is annoying to get to. And packaging is pretty nice in general. It's just this is annoying to get to. This is sexy as fuck. Check that out. It's like this nice fucking focus camera. Jesus. It's got this nice silvery rod on the inside with a gloss black finish on the outside. It's a really nice contrast there. And then this is some like this matte plasticky finish. Focus. Damn you. I'm sorry about this lack of focusing. I'm gonna turn the servo off, so it's gonna be stuck right here for now. I'll have to figure out this camera. I'm sorry. Maybe I have to get a cameraman. It's kind of cool. It's got this tension there, because I know you're supposed to press. You're supposed to put pressure above the blade on this area, so it like pushes back, and then you go like, shh. So if like I'm doing my arm, for instance, let me see if I can. I have to put pressure right there, as I go like that, and then I go like. That's nice. It's like an expensive style plastic. It's not like a cheapo shit. Cool.